is only going to reveal to us how these things work. So it's really not that intimidating, especially if you think about the fact that coding, for example, simplified, it's just us providing instructions to the computer in a language that it understands, so that it will perform what it is that we want it to do, just like in our apps, right? So anything naman, I think, that you're trying to learn for the first time may be challenging. IT is no different. I think with the right mindset and the right effort, anybody who has the interest and the inclination to pursue it can succeed.
We were talking about this earlier, na dati when we were growing up, parang hiwalay ang business, hiwalay ang marketing, hiwalay ang IT. But now, tutusin, any industry that we're in, even media, meron some sort of IT, some sort of data that we can work with. And as we saw with the presentation earlier, diba, of Microsoft, na there's so much to learn and there's so much to gain from adapting new technologies. I wanted to go back to